Hello everybody, my name is Abdul Waqas and this is my Java program that tests your maths IQ. I will show you how it works. Here as you see I run the program and it gives me a question. The question is, what number is hidden between the answers above? So it is a secret random number which multiplies itself or adds itself to one of the digits. Here what is happening is there are 10 equations given, equations of random number having a same formula, uh, and starting from the top it says 8 is equals to 1610. So what does it mean that 8 plus 8 is equals to 16, and might be 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Let's see the second line. 5 plus 5 equals to 10 and 5 plus 2 would be 7. So that's how I can guess that the answer, the hidden number, should be 2, because 5 adds to itself gives you 10, and then 5 adds to another number that will give me 7. So that other number is not given in this entire series on the left hand side. It's only a single digit number. So even here it's 2, 2 plus 2 4, and 2 plus 2 4. You can't find any difference. It's adding to 2. Here 6 plus 6 equals to 12, and 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So that is in all the numbers here it is adding another number, that is 2, and giving you the last answer, like 7 plus 2 is equals to 9, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So the answer of this question is the hidden number is 2. Okay, let's try another question. Here it is a different question given two different types of numbers on the left hand side and one number which is calculated, which is the answer of calculations between the two numbers on the left hand side. So here 77 plus 1 equals to 146. What could it be? 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So what happens to this 1 that is giving us 6? Let's see. Is it 1 plus 5 equals to 6, or uh, um, next equation, in next equation here on the second line is 56 plus 5 is equals to 1130. So is it 5 plus 6 equals to 11? Yes, it is. And what happens here is 5 equals 30. What makes it? So maybe 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30. No, but if we check further here, 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 6 is equals to 41. Is it 6 6 36? Well, in above it is 5 6 30, 6 6 36 will require 5 more to give 41. So maybe in above it is 5 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25 plus 5 equals 30. So here if I write here like 5, that is the correct answer. Now again, if I take another question here, it's asking me for the missing number in the last. So what should come in the last? If I say 1 is equals to 21, 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1 one's a 1. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 6 one's a 6. That could be as simple. Then I should write 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 4 one's a 4. That secret number is 1 here, but it's not asking me for the secret number. It is asking me for the last digit. Here I will write like 3 plus 3 6, and 3 ones are 3. I hope this is the answer. It is correct. Now here it is asking me for the secret number, which is hidden. Let's see how we find that secret number. First of all, if we usually calculate according to the calculate the digit itself by itself, we see 8 plus 8 equals 16, and no, it is not 32. So 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32. 84. Here 84 is where we multiply it with 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. 8 4 is 32, and then we sum it to give 8 plus 4 12. Similarly, we go down 8 plus 9 and 8 plus and 8 multiplied by 9 is equals to 72, and 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So the so we have finally found out found the secret number, which is 4. It is not that 4, it is the secret number 4. 8 multiplied by 9 is equals to 72, and 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So 5 2s are 10, and 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So hidden number above is 4. Here another question, we have to find the last number, missing number. So if we see 6 on the right hand side, we have to solve it. In the number above, we see 9 multiplied by itself is 81, and 9 plus 2 is, should be equals to 11. In the above just above the 9, we get 0 equals 2. So that means 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. So we already have found the hidden number. We will see 6 6 are 36. We will write 6 6 are 36 plus 8 368. That is correct. And let's check out another number. Another question, and it is asking me for the hidden secret number itself. What can it be? Like if you see at the last is 26 plus 9 is equals to 815. 2 plus 6, in 26 it is 2 plus 6 is equals to 8, and 9 is equals to 15. What could it mean? What could it be? Like just above 9 it is 8 is equals to 14, so it could be 8 plus 6 is equals to 14, or just above it it's 7 is equals to 13. So 7 plus 6 is equals to 13, 8 plus 6 is equals to 14, 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. So 6 is the hidden secret number. We'll see it is correct. So I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring you more videos like this, and if you like how you liked my video and my IQ program, give it a comment, and I will produce more and give you more content. See you.